Want to add a magical glow on your subject in Photoshop? I'll show you how with just brush and blending modes. Fast and easy. Hey, I'm Saba from Saba's Photo Studio, and today I will teach you how to give your photos that dreamy glow effect. All you need is a brush, some blending modes, and a little creativity. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, duplicate your layer. So we're working non-destructively. I like to create a new blank layer above your subject. This is where we will paint the glow. Step 2. Pick a soft brown brush. You want the hardness at 0 and the opacity around 20 to 30 so we can build up the effect. Choose a color, often warm tones like orange or cool tones like blue, depending on your scene. Step 3. Now gently paint where you want the glow. Around the edges of the body, that light would naturally catch light like shoulders or arms. Less is more. We will build up. Now I want you to rename it to the glow layer, and finally I want you to adjust the blending mode to screen, soft light or overlay. I'm going to choose soft light or overlay. It works for my photo. Now if it is too much, you can add some Gaussian blur to your photo. I will do it next. Now I'm going to add some Gaussian blur to my photo. It will look naturally and also it will glow her skin. And that's it, a beautiful glow effect using blending modes and a brush. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you want to learn next in Photoshop.